Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the bulls made a nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows just yesterday, and now you look at where the price is right now, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls have shown some progress. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the 36-cent mark. Why is 36 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying that. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 36. Any sort of breaks below there, and worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here and basically does what it's already been doing. So it just does it some more, bounces around 36 cents, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying progress as 36 cents. On the flip side of things, where are the levels of resistance at? Well, very astounding, and I did talk about this in yesterday's video, but the astoundingly yes level of where resistance levels are is that purple line. Like I said, talked about in yesterday's video. It did reject it yesterday morning, and then right here, surprise, surprise, that's right where it was rejected once again. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that the price cannot push through that purple line or it's impossible to break through it or anything like that. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story of the chart, the bulls really are going to need to bring their A game to not only fight above that level, but then also start to get some closes up above it. So all in all, nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.